Hi, everybody. I'm going to show you how to use the groups tool to create groups of students that you want to conditionally release lessons to using the newsfeed. So basically, you might have a group of students that maybe they're working on a modified program and you want to assign them work that's different from their classmates and you don't want anyone else to see but them. This is a great tool. So I have conditionally released this lesson, and the only people who will see this are the students who are in the group that I have assigned it to. First thing I need to do is add the newsfeed to my page. It's not on the default homepage. So if you haven't done that yet, you should watch the customizing your homepage video to add the newsfeed. This will make this a lot easier for you. The activity feed doesn't quite totally, you can only release to sections. The news feed you can release to the groups that you make. So now I need to make my group. I've added groups to the nav bar. You can do that, but you might not go in here a lot. Once you've made your groups, they're always there. So you don't have to do this. You can go through edit course, and groups is under learner management. So now that I'm in groups, I'm going to make a new category. I'm going to call this math. Oops. I'm going to call it math groups. Maybe I have 3 different math groups. I can do that in here for sure. But today I'm just going to make one. I'm going to take the first option here under enrollment type. I don't have to change it. Number of groups, no auto enrollments. There are actually a lot of neat options here in D2L. I can make groups and have users enroll in them for a group project. I can make discussion groups and have D2L auto enroll them, just randomly enroll students into groups. But that's a different video for that. Today, I want to pick the number of groups and enroll the students myself. So I've just selected one. I could, like I said, make 3 math groups if I wanted. I'm not going to. And I'm not going to make category and group description visible to group members today. Okay, so I'm going to keep those today. So I've got my group. Okay, now I'm going to go into my group and I'm going to enroll users. So these are all the students in my class. I'm going to pick the students that are going to be working on the same work. And I've made my group. Okay. Now I'm going to go to my binder. And I've made a lesson specifically for this group in my binder. Okay. Call math. It's visible. Students are going to see it. Okay. And now I'm going to make a release condition on this lesson. So I'm going to create it. The condition type is going to be group enrollment. And I'm going to give it to my math group 1. Okay. And save and close. So now that you see this little icon, okay, like my cooking group is for my life skills group, that's release condition. Math is for my math group. But I don't even necessarily want my students going in my digital binder. My digital binder is kind of for me. I want to direct students to work on the home page. Okay. So I'm going to add to the newsfeed. I'm going to title it Math Work for the Week. Sounds good. I need to attach my lesson. It's under content. My digital binder and content are pretty interchangeable. And it's under here, under the Screencastify logo. Okay, I'm gonna add it. Okay, and now the link is there. Today's date, it's always nice to give them a week if I called it work for the week. Okay, and now I'm going to attach a release condition for my note, my news item. Okay. And I want to publish. Okay. So now I go back to my page and I'm going to see 2 news items. Okay. So